This is an accessory kit that you will get for the Overkill Supercharger system for the Camaro V6. Come with some miscellaneous hardware which you will need for the kit. For example, it will come with 6 spark plugs. These are AC Delco, part number 41147. They come pre-gapped at 35 thousandths. You should always check the gap before you install them. It will come with the bolts that are required to mount the 2 mounting plates together. It will come with the 3 spacers that go in between the mounting plates. 1 larger spacer and 2 smaller ones. On the 2012 to 2015 Camaros only, you will get a 3-bar map sensor that can read boost. You will get this hose with a check valve in it. This is for the evap solenoid. You will get 2 clamps that go with this hose, and typically you will find a small handful of zip ties. Always good to have.